Already packed it up, but might work. Might work. Good morning, y'all. It's your boy Will. Welcome back to my channel, Will to Win. Today is Friday, and I'm not gonna lie for y'all. Today's gonna be a crucial video. You know why? Because yesterday was absolutely terrible. Matter of fact, this whole week has been really slow. But honestly, I expected that. But yesterday was like, I barely made $100 with all apps. I didn't do any Walmart Spark. I did 2 Uber Eats. I did 1 Shipt. And I did, I think, 3 Instacart orders. Only made $61 on Instacart. It was like definitely slow. Listen, today's Friday, new day, new beginnings, new money, right? Yesterday was in the past. Today it's going to depend on how the day goes. Fridays have been on and off. Now last Friday I did really good, but that's last week, right? If it's slow, we're gonna see how much I can make on a slow day, right? I'm gonna show y'all how to really run it up, really how to make $200 even on a slow day. How to really just stay profitable. You feel me? Stay profitable on a slow day, because you don't want to get in your feelings and go home because it's bad slow. Yesterday, it was so slow that I went home around 1 o'clock and to eat, and then I came back out around 3:30, 4 o'clock and stayed out until like 7, and still only made in total $100. It's gonna be days like that. You just gotta know how to adjust. You gotta really, if you want to try to meet your goal, you gotta hustle. You gotta get out back out there and just stay out there and just, stay on the app, to maintain your time. Look at podcasts on YouTube. You can have the screen still looking out on the side while you looking at matches. Just keep yourself occupied. So I'm gonna let y'all know what my first pickup will be. I just took a Walmart Spark, so that's a good sign. $29, 10 miles, double. It's just picking up though. So without further ado, I'm gonna see y'all next drop off. Alright, y'all, so the update. So this is the perfect day to do this, to really explain to y'all to how to really stay profitable on slow days, because today is ridiculously slow. I took my first Instacart order at 12:20. I did a Walmart Spark early in the morning, as I told y'all about. I finally took my second order today. It's a $36 Costco. It's not good, but if you want to stay profitable, you got to keep moving. You got to keep moving. It's an order that I can knock out fast, and then I can get back here in an hour or so. So without further ado, let's get straight to it, man. Already packed it up, but might work. Might work. Alright, y'all, we just got that dropped off. Now we are currently at $60 on Instacart, and it's 3 o'clock. Anyways, look, this is the main reason. Look, it's still early, so only 3 o'clock. In total, we are at $90 for the day. Listen, I just want to remind y'all, just a reminder. If y'all new to the channel, which I really just started this channel, give your boy a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. It's free. I'm giving y'all a free game of how to make money out here. On a slow day, it is slow. It is ridiculous. This whole week has been slow. I'm giving y'all free game, y'all. You just gotta take what they give you, whatever it is you can knock out easy in an hour span and get finished, deliver, drop off. Take it. You can't nowadays. You just can't be picky nowadays. You just can't be too picky. Only on Sundays. I'll let y'all know how Sundays work, but only on Sundays. Don't be picky. Listen, click that notification to get notified every video I drop, because I'm gonna be dropping nothing but quality content about how to make money in the Get Like. I be doing this every day. I really don't, be filming like that, but I'm starting filming and really learning new things. I want to know what y'all thoughts. I want you to know any ideas, any questions y'all have, so I can answer for y'all and just get me up to speed. I'm still new to this game. I'm still a rookie, man. I've been doing this for a while, but I'm still a rookie. You feel me? We out here trying to make money. You feel me? So I'm giving y'all free game, y'all. Listen, I'm gonna let y'all know what I get on my next pickup. I'm continuing the goal is, we'll see, at least $150 today. At least. I'm at 90, but let's see if we can get to 200. Listen, give your boy a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's keep going. Alright, y'all. Quick update. I've been sitting for over 2 hours. There are no orders. None. I was sitting at Costco for almost over an hour. I've been sitting back in my area for over an hour. Nothing that's came up. Only orders that come up is like 1 or 2 at a time, probably for $10, $9, $8. So that's gonna do for today. Tomorrow's a new day, and the next day after that's a new day. Listen, again, advice on slow days. Take whatever there is out there that is easy, that you can just run up and do fast, right? And just keep running it up. Do not be in your feelings, right? You be in your feelings, you're not gonna make money. Be in your feelings, there's no money. Stay content. Stay to yourself. Keep running it up out there. I hope y'all made a lot of money today. I'll see y'all probably tomorrow, a new video. Till next time, it's been your boy Will, and I'm out.